Express the following statements algebraically. Okay, so the first statement is subtract the product of 2x and y from the sum of r and p. Okay, so let's look at this step by step. So product means is a multiplication of 2x and y. Okay, so basically this means 2x into y. Okay, and 2x into y, or 2x multiplied by y, is basically 2xy. All right, then the next one is from the sum. Sum means addition of r and p. That means it is r plus p. Okay, so we're supposed to subtract the product from the sum. Okay, so when you say subtract product from the sum, means the sum comes first in this case, followed by the product. Okay, so the expression, okay, is basically r plus p, okay, subtracting 2xy. Okay, so you can choose to remove this bracket, so r plus p minus 2xy. So that is the final answer for part A. All right, so for part B, divide. Okay, so we have a division of 7a square by the square root of 8c. Okay, so basically it is just 7a square divided by the square root, so this is the square root sign of 8c. Okay, so that is basically the expression. Okay, so you just need to interpret the language, okay, and represent it in the correct algebraic form. Okay, good.